Well, good afternoon, everybody. I hope you're having a great day. Just got off of work, and I thought I would do a little piddling outside. Been a while since I've done a video. Thought I'd give you a little update before I get into our project of the day. Maybe let's give you an update on the chickens, how they're doing. Oh, they're doing pretty good. Doing really well, very healthy. Early, just looking at the black ones, which are the ones that we hatch from eggs. I think we only have maybe one, maybe two roosters out of those, so a lot of good hens there. Well, I got a little project that I thought we'd work on together this afternoon. I bought a new tool used, got a really good deal on it, so I'm going to get you guys set up in a stand, and we're going to do a little piddling. All right, so this is the tool that we're working with today. Picked this up for a saw. It is a Craftsman 6 1/8 inch joiner planer. It has a cast iron table, and I am pleased as punch to be the new owner. It is not new. We're going to take this cover off and get this cast iron top back in good shape. I'm going to start with sandpaper, 220 grit, and work it down, get the heavy rust off, and then I have some polishing discs for angle grinder that hopefully will finish it up. So. Well, we are making some progress. Still not all the way there. We still got some work to do. To change the plans, the sandpaper is really not taking it off like I want. So I've got one polishing wheel that's a little more aggressive. So I'm going to switch over to an angle grinder. I was able to get most of the heavy stuff off. A little more to do. All right, so now that we got the heavy stuff, I'm going to go back to the 220. All right, so that actually did a very good job of cleaning that up. I mean, it's gone from very rough to very smooth. I really need to take this back fence off to really get in tight, but that is looking much better. That is smooth, and I think we can go ahead and go to putting some paste wax on here. So now I've got some paste wax. This is just Minwax finishing wax, natural, and same stuff I use on my table saw. And I'm just going to take some of this on a clean rag. That way we make sure that we don't get, now we got a good clean surface, that we don't get any rust built up on this surface, and also makes it extra slick and smooth. I'm just going to spread this on, thin layer. This is not perfect. I'm probably going to go back over this and take this fence off and really get into the edges. But for the sake of the video, just giving you guys an idea of what you can do. I mean, this tool cost me $25. It's not been used at all, and just with a few minutes of work, this can become a tool that will serve me well and last me the rest of my life. That is not bad. I'm just gonna take a little of this paste wax and put it on this fence as well. This will just help keep this area smooth as the boards run through it. Just quick. It's over. And I'm gonna stop there, guys. Like I said, I think I'm gonna go back and take this fence off. That way I can get into this edge here a little better, but I'm gonna tell you, I'm pretty happy with that. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I am sweating like a pig, so I'm gonna call this a day, go in and eat a little supper. I'm so excited to get it back in operation. It's been sitting on the shelf for a long time. Don't think it was ever used. Talked to the family that had it, the gentleman that had it before. Don't think he ever used it. That you can take what a lot of people would see as being junk and turn it into something very useful. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.